see the fresh braids. So as you guys can see, I did go ahead and install my next protective style. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a closer look before jumping into the styles. These are small box braids inspired mostly by Eva Marcille's braids that she does often. So I'll be sure to leave a picture somewhere on the screen. If you guys watch my braid tips video, then you know why your braids are fresh. The main tip I gave was not to be pulling your braids up into a lot of high or tight styles. My braids are about 4 days old in this video, so I'm going to show you some easy, cute styles to do that are still low tension. The first few styles, of course, are several variations of down. Some with cute accessories, of course, but these first few are all pretty much self-explanatory, and to me, they do all still look different though. I got my little butterfly clips from Amazon, and if I can find a link, I'll leave that in the DB. So now we're going to get a little bit more intricate, but only a little. For the first variation of this style, I just take a medium-sized section of hair from my temple area on each side and gently tie them together one time in the back. Don't knot it. The first version of this style I like to do, and it keeps the braids out of my face. It's basically, you know, a some up, some down style, and I like this because it's buildable. From that style, you can add as many ties as you want for a completely different look. I honestly love them all. This method is also a great way to easily build what looks like an intricately woven bun. After you have your 3 ties, all you have to do is twist and wrap the hanging hair to the opposite side, making sure to tuck it under and then tuck the ends inside the top or the first tie that you made. Obviously, I did mine blindly, so it can be a lot neater when you take your time and you can see what you're doing. Now taking it back to simple. When you have fresh braids, I know you still want to pull your hair back and out of your face, and you absolutely can. My advice is just to keep them low and loose the first week. And I love how pretty this ombre hair looks in these kind of styles. So I'll also be sure to link the hair that I purchased in the description box as well. Lastly, of course, you can use headbands to spice up your braids from their regular down styles. I personally like to use infinity scarves because they make the knots a lot easier to do. In this video, I'm showing you guys two versions of the same knot technique. One gathers the hair into a sheet low pony. And one leaves the braids down and flowing. Leave a comment below which style was your favorite. If this is your first time to my channel, be sure to subscribe and join the cousins to stay tuned for more summer styles and tips for small braids. Love you guys.